How we're funding our lap of Australia. No, we don't have any paid sponsors. No, we didn't build a large savings account before we left. And no, I didn't bring the nail bag with me to find work along the way.
That's right. So what we do is called online affiliate marketing. So what that means is we are the middleman between a large company and a consumer. And when that consumer buys one of our products or services, we get a very large commission. So we are leveraging social media, the phone in our hand every single day to make an income and make an impact at the same time. So we're also teaching, coaching, mentoring a large team to do exactly the same thing who have also had success as well.
Why we went online, when we were planning our lap of Australia, we really didn't want to have anything holding us back. A, being a budget, B, being a timeline, and then obviously, that income along the way. So we thought if we can build something online that's going to be able to generate us an income to at least be able to pay for parks and diesel and stuff along the way, then we were going to get a better experience of doing our lap of Australia.
So if you're ever interested and want a bit more information about exactly what it is we do, please just reach out to us on any of our social media accounts, Facebook, Instagram, or just leave us a comment below on this video and one of us will reach out to you.
Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to follow our journey.